Ramzan Essay in English. Ramzan is a holy month. It is ninth month of Islamic calendar. Muslims fast in this month. It is the month of spend our every moment in remembrance of Allah Almighty. Muslims recite Holy Quran in this holy month. Fasting in this month teach us patience. Muslims observe fast from sunrise to sunset. Muslims do not eat or drink throughout the day. Fasting in this month teach us patience. We celebrate Eid after this holy month. Eid is a gift for Muslims for their fasting.